Welcome, welcome. So you got your grubby little hands in a professional mixer now, have you? And you want to learn how to use it? Are you ready to step into a world full of pain, frustration, and torture? Possibly even death? All right, let's begin.
Are you ready? Good. Approach your mixer. Now, set all the levels and controls to their minimum. Yes, the master fader, group fader, and channel faders. Good, you got one step down. Now, step 2. Now it's time to apply your source signal. Have your singer sing and your player play at their loudest expected level. Watch the channel flash, then back off a little. Back off. How quaint. Now, step 3. Now raise your master faders to their nominal levels. The final step. Are you ready? The final step. Raise your channel faders. But remember not to raise them too loud, or you'll die. As we will now demonstrate.